Welcome. This is an unboxing and review of the RT100 with Seasalt Silent Switches from Epomaker. And as a bonus, a audio review of the Comica VMOC wireless microphone that I'm using on my Fujifilm X-T3. So let's check it out. It looks quite nice in person. I like the color it seems more than it looked like on the website. So obviously here's the keyboard. I actually wanted to do a review later of the sound and design of my fiance's other keyboard by Boy. Very similar colors. I like the match. Let's see what else they have inside first. So a big ol' start guide. I know how keyboards work. Ah, that's something cute. Let's open this up, see what we have. Our little surprise. And the cord that I hear is very nice. Polar. So yeah, a lot of the reviews online mention this cord, and oh, it's going to focus. That is pretty nice. I don't know about the functionality, but it's very unique. Alright, how's my autofocus doing? So, if we're curious about what this is a fun piece. You'd never guess. It is a little TV screen that actually plugs into the back here. I'm actually not sure how to take that off. I don't want to break it, so I'll plug it in later. So I mainly bought this because sometimes I am laid up at night and my fiance is trying to sleep and keyboards are loud, even though I have a fairly silent one. And I heard this was one of the most quiet keyboards we get on the market. So let's check it out real quick. Oh, wow! That is quieter than I thought. Let's get back to that. I'll get my mic closer in a minute, but let's just look at it overall. I like it. They went very retro with the design, especially you can see on their like white colored one. I didn't really like the design, but here it looks pretty nice. It's pretty high up. I don't know much about keyboards, but I like it. The Seasalt Silent Linear Switches. I don't mind too much. It is a, what do they call, like a 90% keyboard? So it actually has the numpad. All it's missing is like dedicated like home and maybe like, oh, they got page up and page down buttons, so that's nice. And what I've really always wanted is a volume control knob. Oh, that's nice. Very clicky. Let's see if you can hear that with the mic up close. Ooh. Plug that back in. So yeah, you can press the top, that's play and pause, and adjust the volume like this. Kind of wish it were a little easier to turn, but that's fine. What I also like is the buttons switches on top, because my current keyboard is not like that. It's on the back and you have to like kind of switch them blind. So this is between Mac and Windows, and this says off and on. It's actually off and on, I believe, for the wireless transceiver, the 2.4 dongle, which is nice because that should work a lot better than my Bluetooth is working for me right now. Yeah, so let's push this aside and do some comparisons. Here's my fiance's keyboard, very cute color schemes going on. Oh, you can hear the difference. Especially if you tap lightly. I'll actually even bring in my current keyboard. This is a Keychron who knows what. It's really loud on the upstroke. Let me bring my mic in again. Or I should have done this before. The VMO C3 from Comica comes with 2 mics. So we'll just use this one for the keyboard audio. So let's see. The new board, RT100. Lightly tapping. Strong. Alright, the Boy, light. Strong. The Keychron, light. Strong. Wow. And I'll do it at a bit of a longer distance here. I can see myself typing all over my work computer right now. The knob again. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with how quiet it is. Yeah. So, let's see how to take this off. Now you just follow along with me and we'll open up this big old manual. Wow. But why? Here, I think. How does this slide off? Alright, let's just break it. Not really, but maybe. Put this big old paper aside and see how this comes off. What do you guys think? Pull up, pull out. Ooh. Pull up, pull out. There it is. Pull out. Alright. So inside of here comes the 2.4 wireless dongle. Ooh. Out of focus. Now, set that aside. And now we can see how this plugs in. It comes right here. Oh, right. So what actually it ends up displaying is any GIF of your choice. It's actually like an LCD screen. So you can design it using their software and put any GIF you want, just letting it play. So that's cute. I'm surprised they had something like that. But I won't show you right now because I don't have it connected to my computer. But I'll do this for you. We can see if anything's preloaded if I just am able to power it on. So where can I get some power here? A long USB-C like this one. And a charger. Oh man, do I have one? Let's try this out. Yeah, that'll work. Slight stretch. Powering on. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's take a look here. It is RGB. Kind of forgot about that. The screen, oh wow. Okay. Here's to zooming in. I'll even move my camera just for you guys. Huh, look at that. It's got the battery level. It says it's searching for data, so it'd probably display a GIF once it's on my computer. It even says temperature and CPU percent. And a time and date. Is it really grabbing that? That's fun. Oh, there is your focus. Wow. I like it. So let's see what else we've got. That's basically it. I won't keep this too long. I mean, what? This caps lock button. I'll have to get used to this arrow numpad configuration. I love having a numpad back. It's been years. That's about it. See y'all later.